Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a project share video. I finally got a chance to play around with all hearts, and of course I want to show you what I made. I gave a little bit of sneak peeks on my Instagram last night, but today is going to be the full reveal. So I did go through it quite a bit. If you guys never seen this collection, which I highly doubt, but it's kind of like this retro 80s 90s vibe collection. So I have the little, what is this, the puffy stickers. This is just some scraps that I have left over, some tassels, of course the ephemera pack, the glossy puffy stickers, the paper pad, and oops, the cardstock stickers, and the chipboard. So I did use a little bit of everything to create my projects, and let me show you. So another thing that I wanted to do when I knew I was going to start playing with this collection was alter a clipboard. Now you guys saw that I hauled this from Walmart, and that's what I did, you guys. I altered my clipboard with the collection, and this is what it looks like. Didn't it turn out cute, you guys? I did a lot of that, like that tore paper on the back. Let me see if I can bring it up. So it's like all like tore pieces going all the way down. There's one solid piece. The black and white polka dot is the one solid piece that I placed on the whole board. So I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a visual. The black and white polka dot is the one that I placed straight ahead here, and it fits almost perfectly, the 6x8. And then we have these gaps right here opening, like opened, because the paper doesn't go up through there. So what I did was I kind of measured, and I tore tiny pieces for the top, as you can see, and then I tore little pieces for the inside right here, because I did want the whole board to be covered. And you can't do that with one paper, and in some of these you can take this off, but this one you can't. It'll actually break if you do that. So I had to kind of work around it and make it where I can figure it out, and I think it looks pretty good, you guys. I added one of the tassels and added a little bow to the top part of the clipboard, and then on top of that solid paper I started adding shredded pieces from the collection just to have a variety of the paper. And I did that all the way to the bottom. I added a puffy glossy sticker up here, one of the ephemera pieces, well, two of them right here. I wanted to keep it semi-flat because it is a clipboard, and I am going to put stuff inside here for the recipient. So you do want to keep it semi-flat, because I did put a chipboard piece right here, but it's not too bad. And I added a cute little word phrase, some thread in the back. You guys, I'm super happy with it. I think it turned out so cute. So that was my very first project with the All Heart collection. Let me see if I could bring you guys in a little bit. Oops, whoa. Too much, too much. Okay, I think that's better. The next thing that I made were some cute little embellishments, and this is what they look like. How cute, you guys. And I was inspired by some happy mail that I had, not happy mail, but some entries that I had gotten for my birthday. Can't find it right now, but I was sent a cute little wand like this, and it's so cute that I had to recreate it with the paper from All Heart. Oh, this actually fell off because this is supposed to be up here. I'll fix that later. It goes on this one. But I made these two. I added some little glitter inside, and I made those. So those are probably gonna go clipped up here. And then, you guys, I made my very first loaded, what are these? Loaded memory decks card pockets. I didn't fill them up or anything, because I figured if I send it to someone, they can either re-gift it or keep it. I just didn't want to put anything inside of them. But this is what they look like. I did tons of stitching. The stitching all the way around, even on the little pieces in the back. So you have a little pocket right here, and then you have a pocket up here. So it's kind of like a little loaded bag, but it's a memory dex card to put on your spinner. I used a vellum rosette that I had made. This one, the washi tape is actually Sunny Days, but I think it went well with the blue, so I used it. This little record is from the chipboard. I did some layering, and then I added one of those little tassels from the collection up here with a cute little eyelet. And then in the back, it's all stitched up as well with my label. You guys, I am obsessed with these. I think they look so cute. So this was the first one that I made, and then the second one is, let me open it up. This one right here, which kind of has like the same style with a little tassel up here, the little ephemera piece in the back, all stitched up all the way around. Stitched down here, my stitching just got a little off right here. Another little vellum rosette with some threading, little piece of ephemera, the roller skate. I added a bow, 2 little jemmies. Here's some more layering. So we have kind of like the same thing, except I added a pom-pom tassel here. Not tassel, trim. And then a chipboard piece, some ribbon from Hobby Lobby. And then it's a memory dex card, same thing, has the pocket up here and then the pocket over here. And this is the back. You guys, these are so cute. I am so happy that I finally got a chance to play around with this collection, because I just kept thinking about it. I kept seeing everybody post and I was like, what am I waiting for? So of course you guys know I had to make some cards, but I did some different shapes this time. I did kind of like a 6x6 card, and that's what it looks like. Same thing, I wanted everything to kind of be cohesive, so I did the tearing of the paper on a lot of the stuff. So there's this one, super cute. And then there's this one, simple, but I kind of like the way they turned out. I have to make envelopes for them because I didn't do that. And what else, you guys? Sorry guys, I'm back. I don't know what happened there, but my phone totally cut me off. But I was showing you guys the cards, and now I want to show you guys what else I made. I did make a little tote bag where to put all these cute little projects, and this is what it looks like. And it's made out of acetate. I kind of made it look a little bit like a beach bag. It's not that like wide. It's wide enough to fit everything that I made. But you guys, I absolutely love the way this turned out. I used the paper, one of the sheets from the collection, as a handle. I stitched all the way through here and in the middle. It's not stitched here, so you can like put stuff in here, maybe like ephemera. I did add a little bit of stars at the end, but it is open. There's some crinkle paper in the inside. Let me take it out so that I can show you guys what it looks like without it. This is the bag itself. I added this cute little pom-pom that I got last year at Michael's, as well as this little Maker's Gonna Make charm. They're from Michael's. But I am obsessed. It looks so cute, and I was able to make this because I purchased on Amazon some 12x12 acetate sheets, and they work perfect, you guys, to make bigger projects than just regular sleeves. So I made the cute little bag, which I'm going to be putting, I'm not gonna do it right now, but I'm gonna be putting all the goodies inside that bag. But let me show you guys 2 pockets that I made also using that acetate. It's a shaker pocket, and you can put goodies inside here. I sealed the top, so you can't put any in the top. I'm pretty sure you can make it where you can make a pocket on the top. That's not what I was going for. I added little stickers from the collection, and then in here just add maybe like some goodies. You could even put like these in there and package it that way. So cute. I'm still not sure how I'm gonna do it, whether I'm gonna just send the pockets alone, but look, you guys, so cute. This one I did like a split in the middle just because I like that look. And then it has 2 pockets as well. But yeah, you guys, that is everything that I made using the All Heart collection. Let me know down below if you guys have played around with this collection, which part do you enjoy the most out of everything I created? And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday and have a great week. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.